I am Abhijit from class 10 and today my topic is impact of India in increasing of petrol price. So today in India the petrol price is increased above 100 rupees per liter. In some major cities it increased instantly and because of petrol price increasing poor people cross so many problems and they can't able to eat a one day meal and they can't able to take a one day and 1 week meal because of petrol prices. All the common people and local village people not getting food and the government have to think about the prices of petrol and prices is increase. It means the economic development economic is also increased. That's it. Thank you.
Abhijit, I have a question about this topic actually.
Yes, sir.
If the petrol prices are getting high,
Yes, sir.
getting increased, then what is the effect of these prices over the other commodities, other products? How it can affect the life of a common people? भाई पेट्रोल का दाम बढ़ रहा है, हम बाइक चलाना छोड़ देंगे. Then why you are saying that one day meal we are not getting, 1 week meal we are not getting?
That there was so many labor wage worker also and the prices was increased and in today times labor was getting 100 rupees or 500 rupees for one day. Then how he can do is all things like his family's food, petrol prices.
Then I'm saying the thing na. Why there is a need to purchase the petrol if the petrol prices are getting high? I will not use my bike. I will not use my car. If I cannot afford the petrol, I will not use it. I will go by foot or I will use my bicycle.
Because
Then why it is having too much impact? Then that I asked you.
because the people use bike or car because they have to go so far at home from their job and work.
I will go with my bicycle.
Sir, all the
It means it will not affect my life.
sir, all the
The
people
petrol prices will not affect my life. I will. Tell me.
That's not that all people have a bicycle.
All
All
all people
have
all people can have the bike and cars,
Yes, sir.
but all people cannot have the bicycle.
Yes, sir.
I will purchase.
Sir, you purchase maybe of 10,000, then you can increase this money in your petrol.
So it's a one-time investment, na?
Yes, sir.
Purchasing the bicycle, it's one-time investment,
Yes, sir.
and the purchasing the petrol is daily expenditure. Then why I should go for the petrol?
And sir, like a generator. In generator we also take petrol. In this we can't able to take hair oil and other etc. things.
Actually, I will tell you. You are not coming to the point actually. If the petroleum prices will get hiked,
Yes, sir.
it will affect the whole economy,
Yes, sir.
not an individual actually. It will affect the whole economy
Yes, sir.
because the things you are getting, you are not a farmer, you are not a producer, you don't have any company which is producing types of things for you. You are consuming many more things which are not produced by you. These are produced by some other producer or some farmers, and then after by transportation they are coming to you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So everywhere the goods which are being supplied to you, the goods you are getting, these are being supplied to you by the means of transportation.
Yes, sir.
So if the petrol prices or the petroleum prices will get hiked, the transportation cost will get hiked. Yes or no?
And you have
The slippers you are wearing, look at the slippers you are wearing. do you have purchased? Do you have produced these slippers? Actually,
No, sir.
you have purchased now,
Yes, sir.
and from where you purchased it?
Also,
From shop. Whether the shopkeeper is the producer of these slippers?
no, sir.
No, na. From he have purchased from the some other shop, a bigger shop, and the wholesaler have purchased it from the producer. So think about it. How much transportation how much distance it has covered. So things you are getting, things you have been supplied are being transported to you, and the same it is in whole the country. The whole economy is heavily depending on the transportation system. Okay, so if the petrol prices will get hiked, each and every product will get hiked. The price of each and every product will get hiked. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that's why if the petrol prices will get hiked, it will be difficult for the common person too
Yes, sir.
to live a happy life. Whether it is he will having a bike or not, it's a different matter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And secondly, if the petroleum prices will get hiked,
Impacting our
the farmer which is producing the food grain for you, he is using the tractor for plowing the fields. So the cost of production in the farming will also get increased. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So definitely it will have an impact over the diet you are eating. So definitely the common person which is cannot afford the
Petrol price.
costly things, he is going to be suffered. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is the impact of the petroleum, the hike of the petroleum prices over other things. Okay, good.